The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that's changing quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking any risk. Hi, my name is Pcr-Psa and I'm delightful to represent our initiative, Oilsaver, from Team Pillars at Polytechnic Caltech. First, I'd like to share an eye-opening fact. Each year, millions of liters of used cooking oil are discarded, causing detrimental effects on our environment. Used cooking oil is still considered just waste by most people at the household level in Indonesia. This is proven by the Katadata Insight Center survey of 140 households using cooking oil in August to September 2020. The survey showed that only 35.7% of respondents did not throw away their used cooking oil. There are various reasons why households do not process used cooking oil, starting from not knowing how to process used cooking oil, about 73.3%, not knowing where to sell it, about 38.9%, not wanting the hassle, about 34.4%, considering it to be used cooking oil dangerous, about 23.3%, and others, about 4.4%. In fact, with cooking oil consumptions reaching 30 million liters in 2019 alone, the potential for used cooking oil that can be produced reaches 7.8 million liters. This potential is a calculation from survey results which shows that the ratio of used cooking oil from households reaches 60.82%. If utilized properly, the potential for used cooking oil can be made into various products, including biodiesel. The alarming lack of awareness and infrastructure for used cooking oil recycled in Indonesia highlights the urgent needs a solution which aims to not only address these issues but also intensifies and educate households about the environmental and economic benefits of responsible used cooking oil disposal. So, we introduce Oilsaver, a groundbreaking application designed to address the issues of waste cooking oil effectively. In our application, Oilsaver is a one-of-a-kind app with features tailored to promote the responsible disposal of used cooking oil while rewarding users for their contributions. Here are the features that we offer. 1. Oil donations. Easily donates your used cooking oil. Our partner biodiesel facilities will ensure it's put to good use. Plus, you earn points for each donations. Simply open the app, donates you used cooking oil, and our team will collect your used cooking oil for recycling, rewarding you with some points. And the next one is point exchange. The more points you earn, the most exciting rewards you can claim. Trade your points for discounts, eco-friendly products, or even donations to environmental causes. Navigate to Tukar Point sections, choose your rewards, and use your points to make a difference. With Oilsaver, we're not just addressing a critical environmental issues, but we're also creating a platform where each one of us can actively participate in saving our environment and being rewarded for our eco-conscious efforts. A sustainable future starts with individual actions. Join us in the Oilsaver movement, and together, let's make a significant difference for our planet and future generations.